A 76-year-old COVID-19 patient from Chapikarong of Chandel district died on July 30 last at CMC Koirengai. With this, the coronavirus death toll in the state spiked to 6. The deceased was a diabetic and also a hepatitis patient, an official report said today. He was admitted to CMC Koirengai on July 30. India today reported the biggest single-day spike of 57,117 coronavirus cases, taking the total number of cases to 16,95,988, with 764 deaths reported in the country due to novel coronavirus in the last 24 hours. The country's death toll crossed 36,500. According to media reports, there are a total of 5,65,103 active coronavirus cases. Till now, a total of 10,94,374 people who tested positive for the deadly new coronavirus have been cured or discharged. SAINIK School IMPHAL will begin taking admission of girl students from the next academic session as per the directives of the Union Ministry of Defence. Group Captain HCS JAWAN, SAINIK School IMPHAL principal, informed the development to Manipuri Education Minister Dr. Thoksam Radheshyam Singh during a visit to the school yesterday. Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Sana Jaubalai Semba has extended his heartfelt greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim brethren, on the auspicious occasion of AYODHYA, the festival of sacrifice. In his message, the MP wished that may the festival bring peace, harmony, prosperity, love and understanding amongst all. He also appealed to all to stand together in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Mortal remains of Assam Rifles Havildar Sahid Prane Kalita was killed in the July 29 Chandel ambush were laid to rest yesterday at his hometown Vazali in Assam. According to our Assam correspondent, Sahid joined the Assam Rifles in 2002. The Ayodhya administration is leaving no stone unturned ahead of the August 5 Ram Mandir BHUMI PUJAN that is likely to be attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi among other VIPs. Gatherings of 5 or more people will be banned in Ayodhya on August 5 as per media reports. The police have said gatherings of more than 5 people will not be allowed on August 5 with an aim to follow coronavirus protocols for the Mega BHUMI PUJAN event to mark the beginning of construction of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya.